This is superb. The GT08 smartwatch is here. This item has a very good display and is 0.2 megapixel camera. This is the charging port, and this has a very nice band. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started to the video. And there we go, let's get into the main offered item in this video. That is the unboxing of the GT08 smartwatch. The company of the watch is Captcha. They offer me an offer that is, they'll give check and checked item with the original seal with a great Christmas discount for me just 1000 rupees. You can see here it says model GT08, and we can see that the original seal that's right here, and it has a really nice good box which has a branding sticker right here. So while wasting time, let's get on to the unboxing. It has a nice Christmas design, so just cutting the top. So these types of unboxing is very difficult. This has a very high quality stickers. Open up. Let's just open it up. Gesture. There we go. Our nice silicone covered GT08 smartwatch. Golden. Nice. So there's the watch. Let's keep it aside. Now let's check what's inside the box. So there's a thermocol. We'll keep it aside, and the cardboard, the data cable, and the English user manual. It's English actually. Now, by wasting time, let's get into the unboxing. Now, let's clean out the table. Here, we have it. Let's just open it up. This is the actual watch looks like. It has a really good metallized body with a shiny surface, inbuilt speaker on sides, and a little microphone hole with touch 720p display, and the camera is also okay. So let's turn it on. Wait a second, let me put the SIM inside. Yeah, there we go, SIM is put inside. This is the front looks like. Let's look the watch faces. This looks like actual Apple Watch. Next, this. That much only. One slide up, menu, and let's go to the Apple thing. Let's go to the main menu, and actually looks like Apple. Amazing. Let's look. Check out the camera. Oh, it's actually me. Can you see me? I think you can see me. Actually, that's pretty amazing. So that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell that